consists of glands. In Tamil, it is called surapi. So the glands are, for your Netikan, it is pineal gland. For Mooladharam, it is gonad gland. For Swasthistana, it is adrenal gland. For Manipura, it is pancreas gland. For Anahata, it is thymus gland. For Visuddhi, it is thyroid gland. And finally, for Sahasrara, it is pituitary gland. So the glands are the medicine that you are taking from the universe. As you know, we already have the glands in our body, but it is not enough. That's why you need to take from the universe. Also, why we have to do meditation right now, people must understand, because there's already problem with the sun. Okay, there's changes with the sun. So due to that, there will be many problems in people's life. They don't understand. Okay, the problem that I'm referring to here is not just health problem, it's problems in every way. Okay, financial problem, there'll be family problem, relationship problem, every other problem in the world you have now. Okay, this is Kali Yuga. Okay, so now what Paramatma is saying, this is Paramatma syllabus. Okay, just for your information, the meditation that we have just done just now is not simply any meditation. Okay, we are not Anmiga Kade. This is not a meditation center or meditation group. This syllabus is directly from Paramatma, the Supreme Almighty, from the universe. Okay, as you know, the entire universe belongs to Paramatma, so this syllabus also belongs to him. Okay, so right now what Paramatma is saying, he wants all Jiva Atma to do meditation, irregardless of your religion, whether you're Hindu, you're Muslim, you're Christian, you're Japanese, you're Korean, you're American, it does not matter. Okay, as long as you're a human being, everybody must do meditation now. This is what Paramatma is saying. So, as the saying goes, Sarye Gire Yoham Jnanam. Sarye Gire means go to temple and pray. Any place of worship and pray. Prayers. Yogam. Yogam means meditation. Vasi Yogam. Why Vasi? Because by doing meditation, you take Vasi Kata. Jnanam means wisdom. Only upon doing meditation, you can get wisdom. Without meditation, you can never attain wisdom. Okay, so that's why it is very important for everybody to understand that right after their prayers, they must sit and do meditation. Only then their prayers will be considered complete. Otherwise, it is incomplete. It is hanging there. Why there are endless problems in people's life? It is because of this. Because they are not finishing their prayers with meditation. They are just stopping halfway, just at prayers alone, without doing meditation. It is impossible. Okay, Lord Shiva itself did meditation. Lord Shiva, Bhakta of Lord Shiva should do meditation. Even Parvati did meditation, Hanuman did meditation, Krishna did meditation, Rama did meditation, everybody did meditation. So all Bhaktas should be doing meditation, right? All their Bhaktas should be doing meditation. So this is what Paramatma is saying. Every human being on earth have to do meditation right now, especially now, because there's already changes with the sun. So when there's changes with the sun, the moon will also be affected. Okay, so there's changes with climate. Okay, so you like it or not, you must sit and do meditation now. This is what he's saying. So this is why in every place of worship, in temple, every place of worship, right after the prayers, in fact, the priests themselves have to tell the people to sit and do meditation in the temple itself, finish, then go back. Not just stop at prayers, archana, and that's it. Okay, they have to tell the people, okay, sit, do meditation. They have to open chakras for the people. Then only go back. Only then their prayers will be considered complete. Otherwise, it is hanging there. Okay, as the saying goes, this is written by Tirumular in Tirumandiram. Okay, Ullam Perum Koil Un Udambu Alayam. Okay, Vallam Prananukku Vai Gopuram Vasal. Okay, Tallan Talindarvukku Sivan Sivalingam. Okay, Kalla Pulan Aindum Kala Mani Vilakke. So what does it mean? So Ullam Perum Koil, inside is just a temple. Un Udambu Alayam, your body is a place of worship. Okay, Vallam Prananakku, those who take Vasi Katu, your mouth will become the entrance of the temple. Okay, so Tellan Talindarvukku, those who are clear upon doing meditation, your soul will become Sivan Sivalingam. Okay, Kallan Pulan Aindum. Okay, Kalla Pulan Aindum is 5 senses teeth changed to beads of lights. So this is what Tirumular then said. So who was inside Tirumular? It was Paramatma. Okay, Tirumular cannot simply write Tirumandiram like that and lived for 3,000 years. It was Paramatma inside who made him write Tirumandiram. Okay, and inside Tirumandiram is written meditation. That's why Sarye Gire Yoham Jnanam is written. So, but people don't understand. They are only stopping at Sarye Gire. So, who's going to do yogam for you? You have to do it yourself. Only by doing meditation, you can change your Vide, your seed, your DNA. Without doing meditation, you can never change your DNA, your Vide. Okay, when your Vide changes, your Vidhi will change. So your Vidhi is not in the astrologer's hands, it is in your hands. So you must understand that. Only if you do, you can change your fate. If you don't do, Who else can change your fate? Nobody else. God also can't do anything. But the Father is already there, right in front of you. We are very lucky. The messenger himself is here through the Supreme Almighty to teach people meditation. He was in Malaysia for 11, 12 years, but he's already in New Zealand now. So the Upadesam is already here, okay? Upadesam has already finished, but Makkal only haven't finished. People haven't finished. So they have to come now and take and do. So without doing, your life can never change. Okay, only upon doing, your life can change. So if you want to have a better life, you must sit and do meditation. So God, Paramatma never say you have to become sannyasi, go to the jungle, isolate yourself, or go to any cave. There's no such thing like that. He say, lead your life, enjoy your life, just make meditation part of your life, that's all. It's very simple. Didn't ask you to go to any gym and work out there, anything, nothing troublesome. Just sit down, close your eyes for 21 minutes. Every day you just do. The more you do, the better it is. The lesser you do, the slower things work. So the only way for you to eliminate your karma is also only through meditation. There's no other way, okay? As you know, as humans, we all have karma, okay? If you don't have karma, you're already gone. So as humans, as long as you're born as a human being, we all have karma. And this karma is not yesterday's karma, or last month's karma, or last year's karma. It's previous birth's karma. Only now we are in the process of eliminating karma. So can you imagine how much karma we have? So but we are very lucky. Why? Because the Father is already there. So now we have to do our part. You do your part, God knows what else to do after that. Okay, so the more you meditate, you eliminate your karma, the faster things will happen for you. The slower you eliminate your karma, the longer it takes for you to get whatever that's deserving for you. So of course, all those who have been doing meditation for many years now, we tell them to do meditation 5 times. Okay, of course, temples also should have Anju Kala Puja, but obviously they are not practicing that. So things are all going as per their convenience, not as per God's instruction and so on. So of course, Andam universe doesn't open 5 times a day. It's 24 hours open. Okay, anytime you can do meditation. There's no timing. Okay, so every time you do meditation, you will have kavasam. Okay, kavasam is protection, shield around you. So it is very important for everybody to understand that you must do meditation. So meditation is part of temple syllabus. It is not a separate thing. It's not a separate activity like what people think it is. So they are very wrong. Tirumula has very clearly and beautifully written in Tirumandiram. Meditation is part of temple syllabus. This is Sidambaram Ragasyam, but it's no longer a Ragasyam. Everybody already knows. They have to do meditation. So see, Tirumula disappeared in Sidambaram temple. Okay, he went as Oli, but people think he's one of the 63 9 margas. He's not. Paramatma was inside doing the job. Okay, so now again the syllabus is said. Again, Lord Shiva is saying, Paramatma is saying, please sit and do meditation. This is the only way for you to come out of your problems, to slowly reduce your problems. Of course, it doesn't work overnight. Okay, the root is already deep. But as you do daily, slowly, your vidya is changing. And slowly, your vidhi also will change. So you have to do continuously. Okay, you cannot expect today you do, tomorrow some miracle will happen and that's it. This is a lifelong process. Till the day you die, you have to do meditation. Okay, then your soul will have a better, if you're going to have a rebirth, you have a better life in your next birth. Okay, if at all you don't have a rebirth, then you go straight to Paramatma. Okay, you merge with Paramatma. So as you know, when everybody meditates, they will attain Sakti. Eventually, you will start attaining Sakti. That does not mean we are Paramatma. Okay, so let me just remind some of you. So some people, they think that, oh, okay, now I've already attained the Sakti, so I'm God already. No, we can never become God. We can only merge with God. Okay, we are just a tuli, just dust on the ground, a dot only. God is there, 14 mandalam. Sakti and Jyoti merge in the universe. Anu, okay, very strong Anu there in the universe. We can only merge with God. So remember that. So every week I will share bits and bits of messages, little by little. So that's all for now. Thank you and Perimbang.